Windows do more than let natural light into your Miami Gardens home. They help regulate comfort, enhance curb appeal, and protect your interior from the elements. But in South Florida's warm, humid, and sometimes stormy climate, windows require regular cleaning and maintenance to keep them functioning properly and looking their best. Dirt, salt, moisture, and pollen can accumulate quickly, affecting clarity, performance, and lifespan. The good news? Maintaining and cleaning your windows is simple when you know what to do. Here's a helpful guide to keeping your Miami Gardens windows in top shape year-round. Clean window glass regularly for clear, bright views. Florida sunshine is beautiful, but it also highlights streaks, fingerprints, and dirt on window glass. Regular glass cleaning helps preserve clear views and prevents buildup that can damage glass over time. Cleaning tips. Use a mixture of vinegar and water or an ammonia-free glass cleaner. Wipe with a microfiber cloth or squeegee to avoid streaking. Clean both the inside and outside at least once every 2 to 3 months. For exterior windows that accumulate salt or grime from storms, clean more frequently. Avoid using abrasive scrub pads or harsh chemicals, which can scratch or dull the glass. Keep window frames and sills free of dirt and moisture. Miami Gardens' humid climate can cause mold and mildew to grow around frames and sills if not cleaned regularly. To maintain frames, wipe vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass frames with mild soap and water. For wood frames, avoid soaking, wipe with a slightly damp cloth and dry thoroughly. Inspect for signs of rot, warping, or peeling paint on older wood frames. Make sure weep holes, drainage holes at the bottom of the frame, are clear. Keeping frames clean preserves their finish and prevents moisture damage. Check weather stripping for wear and tear. Weather stripping plays a major role in keeping your home cool during Miami Gardens' hot months and protected during storm season. Over time, humidity and heat can cause it to peel or crack. Inspect regularly for gaps or loose sections, cracking or brittle material, water or air leaks around the window edges. If the weather stripping looks worn, replace it promptly to prevent drafts, reduce energy loss, and maintain a tight seal during storms. Lubricate moving parts for smooth operation. Humidity and salt can cause window tracks, hinges, and locks to become sticky or corroded. Lubrication keeps windows easy to operate and prevents long-term damage. Tips for lubrication. Use silicone-based spray, not oil-based lubricants. Apply lightly to tracks, hinges, rollers, and locks. Always clean debris and dirt from tracks before lubricating. Smooth operation is especially important for windows used for ventilation during hot summer months. Inspect window screens and clean them thoroughly. Screens keep insects out while allowing air in, but they can clog with pollen, dust, and debris, especially after storms or windy weather. To clean window screens, remove screens carefully. Rinse with water and scrub gently with a soft brush and mild soap. Let them dry completely before reinstalling. Replace any torn or sagging screens to maintain airflow and appearance. Clean screens help improve ventilation and keep your home fresh. Protect against salt and moisture exposure. Coastal winds can carry salt and moisture into Miami Gardens neighborhoods, accelerating corrosion on certain window materials. Prevent damage by rinsing exterior windows with fresh water after storms. Applying a protective finish to metal frames when recommended. Ensuring windows are sealed properly to block moisture intrusion. Small steps like these can greatly extend your window's lifespan. Schedule professional inspections when needed. While routine cleaning is easy to handle yourself, some issues require a professional eye, especially in a climate where moisture and sun exposure can cause hidden damage. A professional can check for seal failure, moisture between panes, frame deterioration, structural issues, installation problems. Annual or seasonal inspections help maintain energy efficiency and prevent costly repairs down the road. Final thoughts. Keeping your windows clean and well maintained is essential for Miami Gardens homeowners who want lasting beauty, comfort, and efficiency. With regular cleaning, proper lubrication, and occasional professional inspections, you can protect your windows from Florida's unique climate challenges and enjoy clear views, smoother operation, and better indoor comfort year-round.